Hello everyone. Students, today we will do our chapter number 2, Wonders in the Water. And thought of the day is, when you know better, you do better. Students, first of all, we will match our homework of yesterday. That was seen passage 3 in your worksheet. So match your answer number 1. Where does dolphin live? And according to this paragraph, it lives in the sea or a river. You can write here dolphin also in place of it. Now match question number 2. Write one sentence about dolphin. You can write any sentence on dolphin. I wrote here, a dolphin is a big, friendly and intelligent animal. Now look at number 3. What does dolphin eat? So according to this line, dolphin eats fish. Student, this question is based, these both questions are based on simple present tense, so that when we answer of this question, in place of this helping verb, we add s in our verb, like this question. Okay. Now look at question number B. Write the noun words from this passage. So look student, here are nouns are dolphin, sea, river and fish and animal. So here I wrote any of two from them. Number 1 is dolphin and number 2 is sea. Now look at question number 3. Write the meaning of words. Student, you can find out the meaning of these words from your textbook in chapter number 2. Now look at number 1 word, intelligent. And according to your textbook, the word meaning of this is very clever. And the meaning of hunt is catch or kill birds or animals. So students, this was your yesterday's homework. Now take out its page number 10. Student, in your page number 10, here is unseen passage number 1. So we will do this work in class work. So write here CW. Do you know student what is the meaning of CW? CW means class work. Now you will read with me. Okay? Start reading with me. The tiger is our national animal. टाइगर हमारा राष्ट्रीय पशु है. टाइगर इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. टाइगर एक जंगली जानवर है. इट लिव्स इन अ जंगल. इट is a pronoun and it is used in place of tiger. यह जंगल में रहता है. The tiger is a strong animal. Strong animal means ताकतवर जानवर. टाइगर एक ताकतवर जानवर होता है. It has black color strips on its body. और इसके शरीर पर काले रंग की स्ट्रिप्स यानी धारियां होती हैं। Most tiger sleep during the day. अधिकतर टाइगर दिन के दौरान सोते हैं, यानी अधिकतर टाइगर जो होते हैं वो दिन में सोते हैं। एंड हंट एट नाइट, और हंट मीन्स शिकार करना, और ये शिकार करते हैं नाइट यानी रात्रि में, यानी वो दिन में सोते हैं और रात में शिकार करते हैं। टाइगर्स ईट मीट, टाइगर मीट खाते हैं। अ बेबी टाइगर इज कॉल्ड अ कब, और बेबी टाइगर यानी टाइगर के बच्चे को कब कहते हैं। टाइगर कैन वॉक और रन विदाउट मेकिंग नॉइज, टाइगर चल सकते हैं और दौड़ सकते हैं विदाउट मेकिंग नॉइज, बिना किसी शोर को मचाए, यानी बिना किसी आवाज के वो चल भी सकते हैं और दौड़ भी सकते हैं, यानी उनके चलने और उनके दौड़ने में बिल्कुल भी आवाज नहीं आती। नाउ वी विल लुक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर डज टाइगर लिव, एंड बाय रीडिंग दिस पैराग्राफ you will know where does tiger live. So tell me, where does tiger live? Tiger lives in a jungle. So we will write this answer here. Tiger, student, this is a name of a animal, or by this word we will start writing the sentence, so its first letter should be in capital. Tiger lives in a jungle, full stop, or it is a simple statement, so that at the end of this sentence we will put full stop. And look student, this question is based on present tense, so that when we give its answer we remove this helping verb and add s in our verb. Now look at question number 2, when do tigers sleep and hunt? This question is also based on present tense, because here is a helping verb do. In simple present tense there are two helping verbs, do and does, and when we wrote questions then we use these helping verbs, or when we use in negative sentence means जब हम no में आंसर देते हैं तो भी हम इन helping verbs का यूज करते हैं। लेकिन if we write a simple sentence, or if we reply in simple sentence, we did not use these helping verbs, we add s in our verbs. So when do tiger sleep and hunt, टाइगर कब सोते और शिकार करते हैं, and according to this paragraph, tiger sleep during the day and hunt at night. Tiger sleeps during the day and hunt at night. Full stop. Now look at question number 3. What does a tiger eat? And according to this paragraph, a tiger eats meat. Full stop. Now look at question number B. Write true and false. And after reading this sentence, we will write correct answer here. Look at number 1 sentence. The young one of a tiger is called a cub. And according to this paragraph, this sentence is correct. So we will write here true, the short form of true. Sentence number 2 is tigers are domestic animal. And here we read tiger is a wild animal. So this statement is false. So we will write its short form F. Now look at question number C. Write pronouns. Student, in this paragraph, pronouns are it and our. So we will write this answer here, it and our. Now student, unseen passage 2 is your HW, means homework. Now I will explain the Hindi meaning of this paragraph. You will read with me. One afternoon, यानी एक दोपहर, Geeta and her family went to a plant shop. गीता और उसकी फैमिली एक पौधों की दुकान में गए. यानी एक दोपहर गीता और उसकी फैमिली पौधों की दुकान में गए. She was very excited to see so many plants and flowers. She, it is a pronoun and it is used in place of this noun. वह बहुत excited यानी उत्तेजित थी to see, देखकर so many plants and flowers, बहुत सारे पौधों और फूलों को देखकर वो बहुत उत्तेजित थी यानी खुश थी. There were roses, tulips, dahlias, lilies and sunflowers. और वहाँ पर रोज के यानी गुलाब के, ट्यूलिप्स, डहेलियाज, लिली और सनफ्लावर के पर सनफ्लावर्स थे. They walked around the shop and bought some white lilies and red roses. They, it is also a pronoun and it is used in place of family. Geeta and her family. They walked, वे वहाँ walked around the shop. वे दुकान में चारों ओर घूमे और उन्होंने खरीदे कुछ सफेद लिली और लाल गुलाब. Geeta's parents gifted her marigold plant. Geeta apostrophe then S means गीता के पेरेंट्स यानी माता पिता ने गिफ्टेड किया, उसे उपहार में दिया. क्या दिया? मैरीगोल्ड यानी गेंदे के प्लांट यानी पौधा. गीता के माता पिता ने उसे गेंदे का पौधा उपहार में दिया. She was very happy. वह बहुत खुश थी. She promised to take good care of it. It is a pronoun and it is used in place of marigold plant. She promised. उसने वादा किया कि वो उस पौधे की बहुत अच्छी तरीके से देखभाल करेगी. Now, student, take out your textbook and it's page number 9. Today we will know our chapter 2, Wonders in the Waters, word meaning. Student, wonders means things that are very beautiful and surprising. Things यानी चीजें जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत और सरप्राइजिंग यानी बहुत चौंकाने वाली होती हैं, यानी वंडर्स यानी अचरज भरी. ओशंस यानी वेरी बिग सीज यानी बहुत बड़े समुद्र. सी डू यू हैव एवर सीन सी? सी इज very big and oceans are more than big from seas. Now take out page number 10. Bony means full of bones यानी जिसमें हड्डियां होती हैं. Next one is in danger means when it is being attacked यानी जब उसके ऊपर अटैक होता है. Danger means खतरे में. स्प्रेज यानी छिड़कता है. कवर्स समथिंग और समवन विद स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स ऑफ अ लिक्विड लाइक वाटर और इंक. कवर्स समथिंग यानी किसी चीज को ढक देता है और किसी एक को विद स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स छोटी छोटी बूंदों से किसकी? लिक्विड एक तरल पदार्थ के रूप में जो कि वाटर के रूप में हो या फिर स्याही के रूप में हो. नाउ लुक एट नेक्स्ट वर्ड. इंटेलिजेंट यानी बुद्धिमान मीन्स वेरी क्लेवर यानी बहुत चालाक. हंट मीन्स शिकार करना. कैच और किल बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स. कैच यानी पकड़ना और मीन्स या किल मीन्स मारना. किसको? बर्ड्स यानी पक्षियों को और एनिमल्स यानी जानवरों को. विस्लिंग यानी सीटी बजाना. मेकिंग क्लियर शार्प साउंड्स एक साफ और नुकीली आवाज बनाना. नाउ these are your word meanings. Now student, look at page number 11. Look at question number B. Which sea animals match these words? There may be more than one answer. Here are some qualities, and after reading these qualities we will write the correct answer who have these qualities. And here also mentioned then there may be more than one answer यानी एक से ज्यादा आंसर भी हो सकते हैं. So student, write down here CW2. Look at number 1. more than 2 arms यानी एक से ज्यादा बाहें. और आपको पता है एक से ज्यादा बाहें ऑक्टोपस की भी होती हैं, स्टारफिश की और जेलीफिश की. तो हियर आई रोट more than one answer. Okay, now look at number 2, bony, and after reading you will know in your chapter 2 who is bony fish. Seahorse is a bony fish. Now look at number 3, body like a bell. Do you know who have a body like a bell? Yes, jellyfish has a body looks like a bell. Now look at question number 4, very good sense of smell. Do you know who have very good sense of smell? किसमें बहुत अच्छी सूंघने की शक्ति होती है? Yes, it is a shark that has very good sense of smell. Now number 5 is many colors. And which animal is of many colors? Starfish. Starfish can be of many colors. Now student, look at question number C, think and answer. Why do you think a seahorse and an octopus change their color? आपको क्या लगता है, यानी आपके विचार से सी हॉर्स और एक ऑक्टोपस अपने कलर, अपने रंग क्यों चेंज करता है? डू यू नो? स्टूडेंट, टेल मी वन थिंग, हाउ यू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ? You have hands. By these hands you can protect yourself. You have legs, and by these legs you can run from danger zone. And you have a intelligent brain also. And by using this brain you can use many tricks. As it is, when these animals are in danger, they change their color. Now student, look at page number 15. Here is something special, interesting for you. Look student, this is the Bagebahu aquarium in Jammu. This is in this shape, it is a aquarium and it is in Jammu, and the name of this aquarium is Bagebahu. Means ये बागेबाहू नाम का एक एक्वेरियम है जो कि फिश के आकार का है. Do you know where does the fish live? Fish lives in aquarium, so that it is the largest aquarium for the fishes, and it is in the shape of fish. It is India's largest aquarium, और ये भारत का सबसे बड़ा एक्वेरियम है. The aquarium is shaped like a large fish, और जैसा कि as I told right now कि ये एक्वेरियम एक बड़ी सी फिश के शेप में है. In different kinds of colorful fishes, और इसके अंदर लोग बहुत सारी रंग बिरंगी फिशेस को, मछलियों को देख सकते हैं. लाइक कौन कौन सी मछलियां? लाइक गुपीज, क्लाउन फिश, पैरट फिश, जेब्रा फिश एंड एंजल फिश. हियर आर द पिक्चर ऑफ गुपीज, a parrot fish and an angel fish. So student, whenever you go to the Jammu, you can go to watch this. Okay student? And student, in this page number 15, here are something for you, my World Bank. Now look at this word flat. Flat means I told you समतल, यानी without ups और down, यानी ups और ऊंचे और नीचे के बगैर, यानी बराबर होना. Like this book, ये बुक कैसी है? समतल है, कहीं भी ऊंची या फिर नीची नहीं है. And here is the word meaning of this word. The road going up the mountain was rocky, but here it is flat. Now look at next word, friendly, and the similar word of friendly is kind, means dayalu. And the meaning of this word is in a nice manner, like a friend. एक बहुत ही सभ्य मैनर में या फिर एक मित्र के जैसा. और as I told you, friendly means मित्रवत, यानी मित्र के जैसा. And here is the sentence is based on this word. Mrs. Sinha is very friendly to the children in her neighborhood. Now look at next word, straight, means सीधा. Like this pencil. This pencil is straight. Not bent or curved, यानी मुड़ी हुई या झुकी हुई नहीं. The teacher told the students to stand straight while they sang the national anthem. टीचर ने बच्चों से कहा कि जब वो नेशनल एंथम को सेंग यानी गाएं तो उन्हें कैसा खड़ा होना चाहिए? स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, उन्हें सीधा खड़ा होना चाहिए. सो दीज आर सम इंटरेस्टिंग information for you. Goodbye student and take care.